Hi guys, welcome to Ms. Mobile Tech. In this video I will be showing you an unboxing of the Pixel 4a 5G. I've been looking forward to this video for a while because I have the Pixel 4. I am a huge Pixel phones fan and the Pixel 4 for me is the best camera, but in other departments it kind of lacks a little bit. So I'm very curious to see if the Pixel 4a 5G will fill up that void of things that it misses. Let's see, shall we? Here we go. And of course it came in one color, so it's just black. I'll put that to the side for a second, come back to that in a little while. And here we have a pin, SIM eject tool and some leaflets. The Pixel charging brick, USB Type-C to Type-C cable. You can use other chargers as well to put that in this charging brick, so you don't need to use that one if you don't have it near you. So that's very handy. And that's basically everything that is in the box. Here we have the Pixel 4a 5G. Simple design. Nice back screen. But before I turn it on, let's look at the ports. Underneath you have a microphone, USB port and a stereo speaker. On this side you have the volume rockers and the power button. Very clicky. Moving on, here on the top you have your microphone and yes, your 3.5mm jack, which I always love because that can mean you can add in a headset but also a microphone, and that is what I love about them. And then on this side it is almost totally clean except for this little thing here, which is for the SIM tray. Well, as you can see, it is a single nano SIM tray. So you can see there's only one SIM card and there's no possibility for a micro SD card. So that is it. Hi there. Let's start this up and talk about anything that is noteworthy. And I love that this is a 6.2-inch screen. It is a little bit bigger than the Pixel 4, yes, but it's still okay. Phones these days get so much bigger all the time, but this one is still manageable. So when you look at the 6.2-inch screen with an 84.1 screen to body ratio, with a 1080 by 2340 pixels and a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, this is a very nice screen. You can also see around the camera there is no leakage of the color there. So you can see it's a high quality screen. It's also in front the Gorilla Glass free. And you also get, of course, the always on display. All right, let's set up the Pixel Imprint fingerprint. There we go. It's very quick. Just a quick side note. I do understand what people say that they don't really feel it, that it's difficult to get it right, because it's so in the back of the phone that you can easily miss it. So you have to, when you have your hand at the right spot, it's easy, but if you don't have it at the right spot, you will be searching a little bit. You can choose between a light and a dark theme straight out the bat. And of course, because it is an OLED screen, darks are really dark and white are really white. I'm going to go with dark. Straight away it is set to gesture control, which I also love. You can swipe either from this side or this side to go back one screen. You can go up all the way and then you go back to your home screen, and up and hold to see all your recent apps. So I love that you get that straight away. Of course you can change it back in the settings if you want the buttons, but for me this is great. All set, I'm ready to use my phone. Swipe up to get started. Welcome to your new Pixel. Well, thank you very much. Here we go. It's very snappy, as you can see, which of course is because of the 765 Snapdragon 5G chip. And let's take a quick test of that fingerprint reader, which is very quick. One, Yes, yes, almost before you only, and you also, I'm not really tapping it and it's still open, so that's really good. Okay, let's look at the memory of this bad boy. Right out of here, when you start it up, you have 14.76 gigabytes used out of the 128. Opening the camera up real quick. Nice. Quick. Full screen. A lot of detail. Nice. And this is also the new camera app with all the new possibilities. Of course, you have portrait mode, the night side mode, which is amazing at night. And also when you have it at night side and you have it at night on a tripod, it will automatically detect astrophotography if you are pointing at the stars, and it will take about 3 minutes, and then you will have an amazing star photo. Of course, there is also a selfie camera. There we go. I don't know. That's it. Yes, that's not a very good angle. I can totally agree with that. But that is the selfie shooter. That was the camera. And then one thing that I was really curious about, I have here the Pixel 4. I have here the Pixel 4a 5G next to each other. It is a little bit bigger, but not that much. It's just a little bit wider, a little bit bigger. Of course, it's a very big change in screen size also because the Pixel 4 had the enormous bezel here because of the face unlock and gesture control that they now completely removed. In weight, the Pixel 4 is more heavy, which is interesting because this is bigger and it has a bigger battery. Yes, just a little bit more, just a little bit bigger. So of course I'm going to test the difference between these two, which one would be better. Talking about this camera, we're talking about 12.2 megapixel wide camera and a 60 megapixel ultra wide camera. This is the first time that a Google Pixel phone has a ultra wide camera. It will shoot video in 4K and it has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. It's beautiful. It feels really good in my hand. And I'm very curious to see what it will do. And there you have it, my unboxing of the Pixel 4a 5G. Are you going to get it? Do you have it? Are you seriously doubting it? Let me know in the comments down below. I really want to know. If you like this video, a sub to the channel would be amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, your loved ones as well. And I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye.